What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Guys, today we hit it. Tesla minus 6.06% on the day. We had the beautiful inside bar breakdown. A really excellent trade today, guys. I want to walk you through step by step the inside bar breakout strategy and just make sure you guys understand. It's one of my go-to setups that I love trading. And then we're just gonna look at futures and then look at some picks for tomorrow. All right, guys. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. So hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs. Dr. D, Trading Wars Army, Gus, Anthony, what's going on? Trading Wars Army, Reggie, Bill, Ahmed, Deepak, Tad, Noten, Candice, boom, Veronica, what's going on? Sunrise, George, Chachanzer, Johnny, let's go. All right. So let's hit the replay today. George, what's going on? Boom. Veronica, Rubio, Reggie. Good to see you guys. Okay. All right, guys. So this right here is our go-to strategy. Okay. It's the inside bar breakout. So yesterday, for YouTube subscribers, I posted our levels. Okay. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button. I post free trading setups every single day. And for my Trading Wars Army members, those who joined the $4.99 plan, I also have a spreadsheet here which talks about like the options and different stuff like that that you can use. Okay. But otherwise than that, guys, let's go ahead and get into the trade now. So let me go get that Tesla level. So we wanted to short Tesla right here at 253.77. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in. All right. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to have our level 253.77. Right there. I'm going to double click. I really want to take my time and educate you guys on this setup because it's one of my go-to setups, guys, really, when it comes to trading stocks. This is my favorite setup. So here we go. Short level. All right. So that's the red line. But before we even think about shorting, we have to understand, is this stock ready to be shorted? Okay. And a lot of people did give me a lot of hate today with Tesla for shorting it. But guys, I'm just trading the price action in front of me. I have no attachment to any stock. Okay. And the first time we looked at Tesla, we actually had this outside bar on the 21st of June, which we shorted here for a swing potential. Okay. Then we had this pause, which creates this inside bar. So what does that look like? So let's go ahead. Here we are on the 5-minute chart. And what we're going to do here, guys, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get our rectangle. And this right here, guys, is what we call the big box. So here's the big box. That's the trading range from the 27th, which is Thursday, the 22nd, sorry. And then we just do a smaller box inside. And what this is showing us here, guys, is the consolidation of price action getting tighter and tighter. And on a name like Tesla, when it consolidates, it can absolutely explode. And if we go ahead and also draw in some arrows, what we can see here is the price contracting, all right, like this, okay? And this right here, guys, it's a flag, a pennant, whatever you want to call it. I love just thinking about it as a big box, small box, because as that price action gets tighter, right, we can see that this Tesla especially can't go sideways forever, okay? So from here, guys, let's go ahead and talk about what can happen. So here's our short level. All right. So there's only 3 things that can happen. Okay. So we can open inside of this box. We can open above the box, or we can open below the box. Okay. So let's expand this box a little bit. That's the 3 scenarios. Hit me with the 10 if you're following me so far. So what are we going to do in each one of these scenarios? Okay. So if it goes below the box, we want it to come back to the red line. Then we'll show it. If it opens inside, we want it to break the red line, okay? And if it breaks to the upside, we want to go long. And if it opens above, we want to get the retest long, okay? So this is it, guys. This is it. It's a very simple strategy. The inside bar consolidation wants to break out the next day. We have the levels. So here we go. Let's play the price action now. So let me just clean this up. All right, guys, and something I wanted to point out is I did some live trading call outs today on Twitter. And if you guys, I used to do them a lot, and I'm thinking about starting to, do some more live trading ideas. So I'll show you right here. So I called the Tesla short, man, right here, guys. So Tesla right here, taking Tesla short here based on our levels, up a small amount so far, stops and targets in place and emotions are out the door, risking 500 and make 3,000. So I posted that this morning. And I got a lot of hate on that, guys, but that's totally fine. I understand, you know, when you get attached to something, but when trading, we just don't want to have any emotions. Okay, so here we go. Boom. Here's our open. There's the retest. So on once that red line is touched, we're automatically short. Okay, and then from here, guys, you can see we consolidate a little bit. And I didn't get the absolute high because we did come up a little bit and took a little bit of heat on this trade, guys. But then right after that, she got going pretty hard. We got a retest of this level, and then we did a complete flush. Watch this, guys. Bang, 6% down. Really, really nice. Okay. So hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. And what I really wanted to show you guys was just, you know, the live commentary I did today. You can see Tesla, there she goes, new low of day. Tesla nailed it, down 4% on the day. So it was at 4% at the time, and then it closed at 6. So if you guys like that live commentary, guys, just hit me with a subscribe and like. Just let me know below, and I'll try to do some more. Okay. And from here, what I want to show you, and I'm just going to go here, tradingwars.com. I want to show you this concept I call candlestick confirmation. Let's let that load. But if I go down here to the 1 minute chart, guys, and I traded this other strategy, I traded this one on Friday as well. But look at the high of the day. Okay, so look at the high of the day. Okay, so if you notice here, guys, at these highs, okay, so let's watch these highs. So at this high over here, we had this inside bar, it broke to the upside. We had this nirvana, it broke to the downside for a scalp. And then we start going up into this area here, guys, and we have that inside bar, outside bar, scalp, nirvana, and then finally at the high of the day is this inside bar. And then from here, if we take a little Fibonacci, guys, watch this. We go from this high down to this low right here, guys, right on the 618 with the outside bar. So it did take a little bit of time to find the top, but just using these simple patterns right here, guys, let me show you. Just using that simple patterns of candlestick confirmation right here in the book, page 48, can be so powerful because you don't have to take huge risks if you're just taking these small little bars. All right, you have a very tight stop loss. So it's in, it's out. It doesn't work, we reload. It doesn't work, we reload. It doesn't work, it reloads. Hit me with the 25 if that makes sense. So I really, really love that trade. And that was a really, really good one on the day. And I want to go live again this Friday, guys. Last Friday, we shorted SPY and we made a lot of money. And I'm just looking for 2 people to join the Trading Wars Army. Just to join the video, guys, all you have to do to join the army, just hit the join button right below the video. I post content every single day for the members, spreadsheets, swing trades. We had a SPY short, and let me just walk you guys through that. And consider joining, guys. It's a lot of value for $5. And I really want to push this algorithm, guys. Okay, so this was the SPY swing trade that I posted for the Trading Wars Army only. You can see members only. And I wanted to short below 433 for this inside bar breakout on SPY. So let's go ahead here on SPY. Let's watch the weekly. So we have that trigger and that entry right now to the downside. And depending on how you want to play this, guys, you could have scalped this for like, you know, at least 10-15%, or here's your stop loss at the high if you want to go for a bigger play. But if we just look at this right here, guys, there's a long way down even to just get back to the mid band, which on the weekly chart usually is a good area to watch for resistance and support. Okay, so really, really nice, guys. Consider joining up. I want to talk about this trade that I called out last night on the futures and just show you guys something I like to call Fibonacci confluence. All right, so here we go. So on Sunday, so you can rewatch the video from yesterday if you want to see me do this analysis live. But let's go ahead here to Sunday. Okay, so Sunday, Friday, here was the Sunday open. We had the Holy Grail and we started to rally. So I want to show you guys something called Fibonacci confluence. Hit me with the 55 if you're ready, and get the notebook out because this one is a very powerful strategy that I'm developing right now as well. Okay, so this was the Sunday open at 6 o'clock, and then you could see that we had, you know, pushed up and pulled back. So whenever we have that initial push up and pull back, we draw that Fibonacci, and we could just extend it out here. So what I noticed here was coming into Sunday, though, we had this big short algo. You could see it right here. This was back from Friday's high. All right. So what I also did was I took this from high to low and I extended it out and I found this. Watch this, guys. So look at this closely. The 786 of this leg. All right. The 786 of this leg lined up with the 272 extension almost exactly. All right. So let me get rid of one of these. So 44.02 was the level that I wanted to short. I wanted to come in just a little bit below the level just to make sure we got filled, guys. And this one, guys, was absolutely stunning, because check this out. What I want to show you, this is crazy, because so the fill was Sunday night, had a nice drop right here. Let's measure the points. 28 points. Let's just say 20 to be conservative. That's $1,000. But watch this, guys. At the regular trading hours at 10 o'clock today, watch the high was 44.03 by 1 point. So watching the pre-market, a lot of times there's some crazy things going on. So look at this. Sunday night, almost at midnight, they run it down. They run it back up to the same level at 10:15, guys, and bang, straight back down. Hit me with a 2 if that's amazing, guys. That was great. So I really love that. There's so many tips and secrets and codes and hacks, and you just gotta be ready, guys, and just take your opportunities and have a good risk reward, because you're not gonna always get it right, but you always want to be looking for those opportunities that can make you thousands of dollars. Okay, guys, you could have come to the market $1,000 up before the market opened. That's why I love futures, and then a double tap later in the day. All right. So I'm watching Amazon tomorrow. This is the Death Star setup that I really love. It's a nice outside bar sell-off here on Amazon. So that's going to be my #1 pick, as well as AMD, Meta, and Netflix. I'm going to post this on Twitter. I'm going to post this on YouTube. And let's try to see if we can run it back tomorrow and get another big winner. As always, guys, check me out, tradingwars.com. Everything that I just talked about are in my Fib books. Consider grabbing a copy of the book. Instead of getting 1 month for free, you'll get 2 months, and you get my indicators for life. That's a special promo we're doing. Or you can subscribe right here on the main page. The room is $49.99 for the month, guys, and you can cancel anytime. Oops, what the hell happened here, guys? There we go. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed that strategy. I want to continue to make some more money this week. Let's just hit it hard, man. Last week of the month, I really want to just finish strong. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Eric, what's going on? Derek, Gus, Brandon, appreciate the Army members. Take care, guys.